Acha, just
Ma'am, I think
I'm
percentage to decimal and decimal to percentage hasn't done.
percentage to decimal, decimal to percentage done. Yes, but percentage to fraction, fraction to percentage,
that was also done.
it has also been done. Okay.
Yes, yes.
But ma'am,
Now,
I can't understand that percentage into decimal and decimal into percentage. Can you understand?
Again.
definitely, definitely. Again, yes, that is the query.
Point
Na?
50. Just point 50.
Acha, acha, okay, just suppose the question is given. Look at this. You are telling the 0.50. Suppose this one, okay? Trisha, you have not understood. So I am telling the main points only, huh? Look, how to convert it into Achha, this one is given in decimal.
Into 100%.
We have to convert it into
100%.
So just multiply into 100%. Yes.
So ma'am, the answer will be.
So the answer will be what? 100%, just percentage sign will remain as it is, and we have to just multiply this one.
1.50, ma'am.
1.50.
What?
No.
Ma'am, Tisha said 1.50.
What? Achha, first of all, after decimal, you cannot take 50. You have to take the one individually. Take each of the digit individually. 50. Okay. And the second thing, why 1.50? Trisha, this one, there is 20, na? So point will move 2 place in the right side. Yes,
0.050.
it will be only 50%.
Yes.
Ipshita, it is multiplication. Then point will move to the right side, not left side.
Yes, ma'am. I have told that 050 and ma'am, the 0 is not expected.
Exactly. So it will be 50%. That is 50%. Got it?
Yes,
So, Trisha, now you can remember. Trisha,
yes, now we can remember. We have learned.
Suppose 1% is given. We have to convert it into decimal. 28%. So, Trisha, what is the rule? Just only percent, 28. Remove this percent sign, and to remove the percentage sign, what we have to do? We have to take 100 in the denominator. Exactly.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rin.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen. My computer off, ma'am. Can I rejoin?
Okay. But first, Amit Sajid, now you can remember. By 100, we have to remove this percentage sign. So for this, we have to take 100 in the denominator. Yes, though. Now,
Okay,
yes, division. Ikshita, this one is division. Na? 2 zeros are there. So, decimal place point will move 2 place before. That is to the left side. It will be 0.28.
28. Okay.
Yes, though. But suppose one question is given in this way. 7.1%. Now what to do? Rifa?
And what do we need to do?
Convert it into decimal. Already it is given in decimal, but it is basically percentage. As the unit is percentage is given there. Na?
We have to remove the percentage.
We have to remove the percentage sign, right? So,
yes,
7.1. For this,
500.
what to do?
500.
Exactly.
500. Good.
Now this point will move 3. Here are 2 0. So 2 place to the left side. Yes, too.
Yes.
So what will be the answer? Already look 7 is there.
Ma'am, 0.
So
Ma'am, 0.071.
Good. Achha, first of all of you keep your camera on. Shamia, keep your yes. Acha, so I think now you can remember all this thing. Okay. Today I can start ratio.
Yes, ma'am. Ratio is already done. We will start
Acha,
exercise
ratio
C,
done.
ma'am. And exercise C today.
No, ratio only the introduction done, huh? I have not completed other exercise. Okay. Divyanka, remember. Suppose rupees 60 is given. Rupees 60, find the ratio between rupees 60 and 71 paise. If two units are different, then how to find the ratio? This type of thing done? No, na?
I think no.
No, not in detail. Ratio just introduction I have given. Not in detail, okay? Now, Divyanka understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Acha, now suppose I am giving you write the question, huh? Find the ratio between,
Ma'am, wait a second.
Acha, okay, I am waiting for 10 seconds, okay? Okay, go and come fast, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
10 seconds done?
Between
7, 8, 9, 10.
Acha, who are talking? Amit Sajit, just check to one. Amit Sajit is only talking.
No, ma'am, I'm just counting. Wait a second.
From whom the noises are coming?
Ma'am, Kaji Ayman. And Samia Rahman is not connected to audio. So please also
Mute
take that.
yourself, otherwise I will mute all of you. Okay, now I'm doing it, huh? The question you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Find the ratio
What
of.
ma'am?
Are you able to see the screen though?
Yes, ma'am.
36 and 108. Acha, here just the numbers are given. Divyanka, this type of question has been done. Only the numbers are given. Right? So directly we can do what? The required, directly write the answer, huh? The required ratio is equal to just 36 into, this is the ratio sign. All of you know already I told. Achha, also you can write 36 by 108. Both are correct. But one thing, don't mix them. Huh? Don't mix them. Suppose you are writing this ratio from the first. Then you have to continue this process only. Suppose you are taking as a fraction, numerator by denominator, then you have to continue with this method. Don't mix them. Got it? All the students understood this?
No, ma'am.
But ma'am, we have to simpler also. That 36 by 108, we have to simpler also.
Look at this. Look at this. Suppose this one you are doing too. So you have to continue in this method. Suppose from the first line, in the first line you are writing 36 by 108. Then we have to make card cancellation by 2, whatever. Okay, then at last we will get one answer. Acha, let me do it. By 12, by 36 directly we can cut. Now 1 and this one will be 3. Yes, though? 1 by 3? Yes or no? Acha, okay. Yes. I am doing step by step. By 2 first, it will be 18. It will be 54. Then by again 2, it will be 27. It will be 9. Just look at this. Huh? Then by 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, then 3 9, 27. Then by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Done. So it will be 1 by 3. Yes, though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now look at this. 1 by 3, in the next line, you cannot write 1:3. Maybe it is, in the next line, you cannot write 1:3. Maybe it is in the book. Probably it is given in the book, okay? But do not mix them. If you are putting by sign, then only you have to maintain this sign. Don't mix them. Again, I am telling. Listen to me, everyone. The question was 36 and 108 too. Everyone, listen to me very carefully. Acha, Ipshita, I cannot see you properly. Ipshita, sit properly. Ha, yes. Debolin also. Okay, now look at this. Suppose we are going to find the ratio. Na? So in the first line, we are writing 36 by 108. Yes, so Debolin. Now we are doing the part calculation. Okay, it will be 18, 54, then again it will be 9, it will be 27, then 9, 1 is 9, 9, 3 is 0. The answer is 1 by 3. Now is equal to, most of the students write, so 1:3. Yes, so this ratio, this sign is known as is-to. Is-to, already I told you. Okay, so everyone, now the students are doing 1:3. Yes, to?
Ma'am.
Yes, same.
But I have done in the another process. Can I show, ma'am?
No, wait. Tazib, wait. Let me clear it first. If you are doing in this way, okay? So listen, basically, maybe it is given in the book. But suppose we are taking this by sign, na? So we have to continue it this way. We cannot take this is-to. Got it? So we should stop here. Then we have to write the required ratio. The required ratio will be 1:3. But if you write is equal to, then it will be half marks will be deducted. Got it? Is it clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All the student, Amit Rajit?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, in effective exam, the questions will be in MCQ form or we have to write?
MCQ. Probably MCQ, okay?
Then Joyshri ma'am already told us.
Okay. Okay, have you understood too what to do? Suppose from the first line we are taking, Divyanka, got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose from the first line we are taking ratio is-to sign, 36:108. Then card cancellation you can easily do here. 54, then 27, it will be 9, then 1, then 3. The answer will be 1:3. It is totally correct. If you are taking is-to sign, then throughout the whole procedure, until the whole procedure done, you have to use this sign. If you are using by sign, then until the whole procedure done, whole sum done, you have to use this by sign. Now this concept is clear, everyone? Just I am telling, don't mix up, okay? Yes, Shamia, Suhana,
yes,
understood to? Suhana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in which process we will solve this sum? I have given you, find the ratio between ratio of 36 and 108, right? So, answer directly you can write 36 by 108. Then simplify it. Do the card cancellation, which I have already shown you. The answer is 1/3. Now write the answer. The required ratio is, the required ratio is 1:3. At last you have to write in this way. Got it? Don't do it here. Is equal to 1:3. I am telling it for so long time. Okay. If you do this, then half marks will be deducted in the exam. Then don't say, ma'am, why have you deduct this mark? Okay. Sridatri, Junaid, Rifa, Devolin. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be right.
Paumaji? Yes, say again.
Ma'am, I am asking that if I use the previous formula, that will be right.
Yes, everything will be right. Okay. Acha, now the next one. Find the ratio of. Don't mix them only. Just follow that one. Okay.
Yes. I'm only telling that.
Basically, that are the some rules of maths. If you mix them, usually we don't cut marks. Okay. Both are correct, but basically for ratio there are some rules which will be followed in the higher classes. That's why I am telling. Okay. Follow that rules. Acha, now write find the ratio of.
But ma'am, I am writing like that. That find the ratios. That I have written A say 36 for and 108. Then B like this, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. 80 gram and 120 gram. Now here I have given one unit now. Yes or no? Look.
Yes, ma'am.
GM, gram and gram. Yes, though. Now what to do with this unit? Acha, always remember in ratio there will be no unit. Okay. After finding the result, after finding the answer, no units will be there. Look. Both are gram, so just ignore them. Got it or not? How to ignore? Look, 80 gram by 120 gram. Okay? Got it? So in the next line,
They will be cut.
as both have the same unit, okay, so no need to write them. Now it will be 80 by, acha, this 20 will also be cut. So it will be just 8 by 12. Yes, Tom. Now again it will be cut cancelled by 2. 4 to 8, 6 to 12, again by 2. So the answer will be 2 by 3. Now don't write is equal to 2:3. Got it?
The
Now
required
what
ratio.
to write? Exactly. The required
Ratio is 2:3.
is 2:3.
And mention that not to write gram after that. Just ignore that.
Good.
Ma'am,
But in that ratio, there will be no. Look, 80 gram by 120 gram. Now, both are same unit. We are doing the cut cancellation. Yes,
when we will start the exercise questions?
this one are exercise question. Look, from exercise, probably exercise A, this is the second question, 1B.
Ma'am, but I have a question.
Okay. Yes, say.
Ma'am, I am asking that, ma'am, if there is 80 gram and 120 kilogram, what we will do?
We have to convert that 120 kilogram into gram.
Ma'am, what we will convert? Kilogram to gram or gram to kilogram?
Ma'am, can I tell the process of that, ma'am?
No, wait. Let me see. 900. Now the C, next one. Find the ratio. Number C, 960 centimeter. And how much meter is there?
Ma'am,
8
meter. Now we have to look. There are two different units now. 1 centimeter, 1 meter.
So ma'am, we have to convert same units.
Convert into same unit. Exactly.
Same unit.
You
Yes.
have to convert first into same
You have
unit.
to convert.
Now the question is, which one will convert? You can convert the centimeter into meter, or you can convert this meter into centimeter.
8
But
into 100. Ma'am, we will convert the 8 meter into centimeter.
We have to convert the meter into centimeter.
It will be easy if we convert it into meter to centimeter. Yes, otherwise we have to divide. 96 by 800.
8,000.
960 centimeter and the 8 meter. Either convert this first one or convert this second one. If you are converting this centimeter into meter, then it will remain same. Don't convert again this meter into centimeter. Got it? Is it clear, Ujan or
The
Paul?
next line we will convert in the next line.
Okay, acha, now I am converting 8 meter into centimeter. Okay, not that centimeter. Look, this centimeter will remain same. Now just write 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. Because if we convert this centimeter into meter, there will be one decimal now. Just avoid decimals. Okay. So look, now 960 centimeter by 800 centimeter. This will be the ratio. Yes, no, this will be the ratio. Debolin, Ujan.
No, yes, ma'am, but we have to cut cancellate it also.
Ah, yes.
Only the zeros.
No. Then also it is concatenated.
That also, exactly. Anuva understood. Anuva, Orithro, Riazuddin.
Yes, ma'am.
And Orishi. Riazuddin.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, by 2, it will be 48. It will be 40. Okay. 24, 20. Acha, directly cut it by 4. Huh? 4, 6 are 24. 4, 5 are 20.
6 by 5.
6 by 5, the required ratio is 6 to 5.
Good.
Ma'am, but I have used another form.
From whom the noises are coming? From whom the noises are coming?
Wait, ma'am, I will see you. Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, Samia Diamond.
Shamia, beta, mute yourself. Shamia?
Ma'am, actually, I was asking something. That's why I on my.
Acha, beta. Acha, okay. If you have any doubt, ask me. Then mute yourself, huh? Shamia,
Okay,
you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt regarding? Yes. You have?
Ma'am, I will use another form, ma'am. That you will be right or wrong.
Yes, right. At the beginning of this class, I told you now all the process. Whatever you want. I am following just this process, okay? Whatever you want, no issue.
Only don't mix it up.
Exactly. Acha, now I am clearing the screen, huh? Next one, rupees 12 and 60 paise. Number D. 12 rupees.
Ma'am, may I go to topic?
Go and come first. Junaid, are you satisfied with your marks? No, na? So, work hard in FA2 exam, okay? You will have to get full marks, at least 90% marks. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now look at this. Okay. I am telling this to everyone, huh? Acha, as both are also look not same unit. 1 rupees and 1 paise. So first we have to convert into same unit. Which one will be easy to convert? From paise to rupees or from rupees to paise? Look, from paise to rupees.
Rupees.
Rupees to paise.
Divyanka, ma'am.
Rupees to paise, ma'am.
Acha, why?
And because there will be no decimal and it will be easier.
No decimal, exactly. It will be easier, okay? Acha, Aritro, Arpon, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Pargodip, Maji and Yash.
Yes, ma'am.
Safin Khan is there. Today Safin Khan is present. I cannot. Safin,
Yes,
where are you? Have you understood?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kazi, 12 rupees is equal to how many paise? Same.
Yes, ma'am.
12 rupees is equal to how many paise? Anushka, Shinjini, Shayon, Oishi, any one of them. Keep your camera on and say. Just multiply by 100, na?
By adding double zero only.
Exactly, just multiply it by 100. Just multiplying by 100. So it will be 1200 paise. Yes,
Ma'am,
no?
can I tell the answer after you finished?
No, Anushka is there. Anushka, keep your camera on. Anushka, Shinjini.
Ma'am, Anushka left from the class.
I know every time.
Everybody scares when you ask questions.
Actually, not everybody. Some of you are very active in the class. I like that.
But in exams, we panic.
Okay, don't get panic, okay, from FA2 examination. By 60, say yes, to. Acha, 10 just cut it. So it will be 120 by 6. Acha, directly by 6 we can cut it, na? 6 to the 12 though. The required. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this question
20
is.
Achha, now here most of the students what do look as it is 1 in the denominator, they forgot to write that. Is equal to most of the student write 20. I will deduct the whole marks. Okay, if you do this. Got it? It will be 20 by 1 na? That
Okay,
means the ratio is 20:1.
Okay, ma'am, we will take care of that.
Oishi, Safin, Shinjini, understood? Tuhinur, you joined late, beta?
Yes,
Tuhinur?
Yes, ma'am.
Ipshita? Tayon, got it? Acha. Tomorrow I'll check your copy, okay? And tomorrow I will continue some extra problems of ratio. Okay? Now just let me know one thing. Up to this, all of you understood too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody stay safe, stay healthy. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.